y'all, first of all, good morning. Good morning, right? I need to hit y'all with some real talk, okay? Everybody's been debating about Kanye and Drake and, oh, what album's better? Let me tell y'all something, okay? I don't think a lot of y'all understand. Hey, boo. I don't think a lot of y'all understand Kanye's new album, okay? And maybe because you don't understand it, that's why you don't like it. I keep hearing like, oh, like, no, it's good, it's happy, hey, but it's like a little too slow and Drake's is faster. And it's like, alright, let me put it like this, right? When you meditate and you're sitting down and you're in silence, like, okay, would you rather meditate or would you rather go to the skate park? You know? Like, they're both equally useful, they're both equally fun, but one is a direct form of intentional internal healing, and another, okay, first of all, just check out my spooky season, y'all. You already know, but I know you would rather go to the skate park, and that's why I fucking said this. But okay, what I'm trying to say is Kanye's music, like his intention behind this whole entire album is to raise the frequencies of his people who are listening to his music and the collective and just anybody who hears it. And it's like, that's why people don't like it, because they don't understand. They don't get that sometimes to heal you have to slow down. And so they want to be fast, they want to hear shit bumping in their ear, they want to hear all that bass, but it's like, that bass is that low frequency shit. Have you noticed how in every single one of his songs, all of the beats are higher? Hey, boo. All of the beats are higher. There's not a single song that has that blah, blah, blah bass, because that is low frequency, okay? And so it's like, would you rather listen to music that is healing you, or would you rather listen to music? You know? Like, it's okay if you don't like Kanye's style. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not here to put down anybody who just didn't like his new album. Like, that's perfectly fine. But what I am trying to say is there's so many people who, they don't like it because their brain is too fast. Their bodies are too fast. They can't sit the fuck down. That's why it's slightly uncomfortable for them to listen to. Because he wants you to slow down. He wants you to listen. He wants you to take the time and the effort to do the work. I'm not gonna say Drake don't care about that, but do you think that that's what Drake was aiming for in his album? You know, I keep seeing people talk shit about how Kanye released his music through the opening show, or the listening show, and it's like, let the fucking man do what he wants, bro. Why do we have to be so judgmental about how they're releasing this music when most of it, I mean, like, no, the music is for them, but it's like, it's now also for us. Like, bitch, be fucking grateful you even heard that shit. Okay? Be grateful that he even cares enough to put this in his music to try and help you. Right? Like, maybe try to shift your perspective. Again, I'm not saying you have to like Kanye, but it's like, why don't you like it? You know, like trying to understand, is it deeper than just, I don't like the tempo? You know, because it could be something like, I don't like their vibe. And then 3 years later, they turn out to be a serial killer. Or not. Who knows? But I felt like that was really relevant and really important. And I wanted to share it with y'all this morning. So, yeah, I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna actually post it. So, thanks for tuning in.